In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Squarespace website code. If you need a copy of your Squarespace site content, the export tool is the place to start. It is important to know that this process does not download your entire site as a fully working duplicate. Instead, Squarespace exports your site's text-based content into a file format that can be saved and used elsewhere. This is helpful if you want to back up written content or move parts of your site to another platform. To begin, log into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to export from. Once you are inside the site dashboard, go to Settings. In the Settings area, look for Website, and then select Import and Export Content. This section is where Squarespace handles content transfers in and out of your site. After that, click Export. Squarespace will then show you export options. From there, select the WordPress icon. Even though you are using Squarespace, this is the option used to generate the export file. This can be a little confusing at first, but it is the correct choice for downloading your site's text content. Once the export is prepared, you will see the option to download the file. Click Download to save your site text assets as a localized XML data file. This XML file contains the exported content in a structured format, which can be useful for backups or importing into supported systems later. When saving the file, choose a location on your computer that is easy to remember, such as your desktop or a dedicated backup folder. That will make it easier to find when you need it. It is also a good idea to rename the file clearly so you can identify which website or export date it belongs to. Keep in mind that this export is mainly for text-based content. If you are expecting a full download of your Squarespace design, layout, and all website functionality, that is not what this tool provides. The file is intended more for content portability than for cloning the complete site experience. Once the download is complete, you can open your saved folder and confirm that the XML file is there. That means the export was successful and your Squarespace site content has been downloaded. That covers everything you need to know.